tasty. Spain.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm currently at Tokyo, Japan at the Shibuya station, the front of the Ginza line. I'm waiting for the Arabic friends that from Saudi Arabia. Just I'm excited. So that my plan is so I'm gonna take them to the around the Shibuya and so around the Tokyo Tower. Just let's go. Here is so unique cafeterias, Tokyo Shibuya. With my friends.
Hello. I'm so happy to meet you today. Thank you so much.
You feel that? I get back. So how was the video? For now, just I'm tutoring the Japanese language for the foreigner friends, and like I have a concert service for the traveler from so around over the world, and who apply to a Japanese company, so I mean so work abroad, if you going to Japan, so travel abroad, work abroad, so I'm willing to help you. I'm introduced to you like the Japanese corporation and like rent a room. Okay, so we are currently Shibuya. So from over the Shibuya crossing with my friends, so from Saudi Arabia. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good. So he came from so Osaka. He has been so enjoying Expo Osaka 2025, right? How was the Expo?
It was so amazing. So I go to Saudi Pavilion.
Uh,
I went to also Spain
oh,
Pavilion.
uh-huh,
So it was a great,
uh-huh.
yeah, great tour in the expo. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so chaotic. So we are walking so Scramble Square. The Shibuya. There's so many so people that's so walking around. Yeah. Where we going next? Where we going next?
We will go next to a Lebanese restaurant.
Okay.
I will let you try the shawarma.
I'll show you guys the best spot. So take a photo about the Scramble Shibuya. Did you see that, brother? So take a picture right here. Right here. Yeah, it's a good spot. Just only me as a Japanese. Yeah, good. Hi, hi. But nighttime is just more better. More better, right? Bro. So let me ask you. I have a question. So what did you mean? So scramble, Shibuya scramble in Japanese. Do you know that?
No.
横断歩道, right? 横断歩道.
What is that?
横断歩道 scramble. We call the scramble in Japanese. 横断歩道.
What mean?
Scramble.
Okay.
Cross the road. 横断歩道. Okay.
Cross the way.
Cross the road. Right. We are about to go inside a so arcade store in Shibuya. Alright, let's go. Yo, my friends the spend so 3,000 in Osaka, but so no one get you can't you couldn't get the so
Yeah. But I will try this store. So I will pay little for more. Okay. Okay. Let's go, let's go. これはね、両替所。これ両替所って言います。両替所。Okay. 両替所。She had a budget, so only 1,000. Only 1,000. He said she not gonna pay so anymore. Over 1,000, right? 1000円以上は使わないということです。千これが、これが1万円ね。これが5000円。2000円。You target on get the Mickey Mouse,
Yeah.
right?
Do you think I can get it?
If you get it, so you're gonna bring him to the Disneyland. So.
Yeah. I will take him with me.
Okay. Okay, let's try it.
Or just
Okay, okay. You still have a coin, right? Okay. Only 1,000, okay? Only
Yeah.
1,000.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Ah! Lebanese restaurant?
Lebanese.
Lebanese restaurant. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bay,
Vibrant.
Vibris. ケバブ。Kebab. A shawarma. What's the difference in kebab? Kebab is only meat. One beef. Okay, okay, okay. I see, I see. I got it. Let's try it. Cook that. Cook that. Yeah, brother. Let's try it. Empty. Cook that. Cook that. Cook that. Right? Oh, it's a beef. Yeah. It's a minced beef. Cut the beef. So we move here, center of Shinjuku. You can see the Godzilla statue. We're gonna exploring around. We can go around Godzilla statue. My Arabic friends the wanna see the 3D cat billboard and the Godzilla statue, like this. Okay, you move the Takeshi the street and Harajuku station, right? How do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm feel hungry.
Hungry. For real? Hungry? Okay. You can buy the sweet one,
Yeah.
crepe, Japanese crepe.
Yeah, yeah. We will try many things. Many Japanese
Okay,
things.
okay. The street food, street food.
Yeah.
Okay. My Arabic friends are still hungry now, so I thought you got so enough. the Lebanese food before.
But we walk.
So we are currently so the Turkish street. So my friends gonna try Japanese crepe. Japanese crepe, right?
Inshallah, it will be a delicious.
We-
delicious.
Delicious. 美味しい。美味しい。美味しい。
美味しい。
マリオンクレープ。有名なマリオンクレープに来ました。有名ね。popular。famous か、famous。famous。たくさんのクレープがあります。これたくさんのクレープね。
Did you try this before?
Yeah, of course, of course.
What do you think about this one?
What do you think?
Uh, it's a little bit tasty. Yeah. But I will check now.
My man, Arabic friends wanna try candy, strawberry candy.
Uh, the grapes and strawberry. Japan, it's very delicious. Yeah. It's a little bit expensive, but that's okay.
It's okay.
No, no sugar, add, right?
No sugar? 砂糖入ってますよね。So, she said muscat has sugar. It's okay?
They have without.
Without? シュガーを外してできます ?No sugar.
Yeah.
It's not allowed.
But we will see.
The price is the same. It's okay?
Yeah, no problem.
一つ。one.
Two.
Okay.
Yeah, me and you. We will try it together.
Okay.
Yeah,